Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Your Own Home Tutor. I am Ria. Today we will be solving the exercise 1.2 from integers from the book M.L Aggarwal for Class 7 ICSE. So let's begin solving the exercise. The first sum here says that we need to find a pair of integers whose sum will be minus 3. So let us see which all integers we can take and whose sum will be minus 3. The integers can be positive or negative. You know that. So if I take minus 6 added with 3 or positive 3, it will give me minus 3. Why? Because we should remember that whenever we are dealing with different signed integers, then we need to subtract them. And whenever we are dealing with similar signed integers, we need to add them. So here we saw a pair of integers whose sign were different. So we subtracted them, and after subtraction we got 3 followed by minus because the mod value of minus 6 is greater than 3. Let us look at some other examples. We can also take 2 plus of minus 5. This will also give me 2 minus 5, which is again minus 3. So here I got two pair of integers. One was minus 6 and 3 and the other was 2 and minus 5. Any one of these you can take and put in these places. Any one pair you can take. There can be many more such pairs. You can try them out and comment down in the comment section. Let us move to the second question. The second question says that write a pair of integers whose difference is minus 5. Here we need to follow the difference, not addition. So if I say you that if I subtract 4 from 9, then I can get minus 5. Why? Because 9 was greater and we had to take its sign. Similarly, if I take away 1 from 6, then also I can get minus 5. So here also we got two pair of integers. What were they? One was 4 and 9. And the second was 1 and 6. Remember, in subtraction, we should follow the order in which we are writing these integers. By order, I mean that if I'm writing 4 before 9, then it gives me the result as 4 minus 9, which is minus 5. But it is completely different from 9 minus 4, which gives me only 5. So if I am writing 4, 9, then this place will be taken by 4 and this will be taken by 9 and not vice versa. Why are we not placing this in place of 4? Because subtraction is not commutative like addition. So any one pair you can pick from here and put. Let us move to the third part of this question, which says that we need to find two integers whose difference is 4. This is very simple. We can take 8 and 4, subtract them and get 4. Here also we need to follow the order. 8 will be coming before 4 and not 4 followed by 8. Then it will give me minus 4, not plus 4. I can also take 4 minus 0, which will also give me 4. Here I took 0. I can't take 0 because 0 is also an integer. So these are the three parts of the question 1. Now we will be solving the question 2. The second question says that in a quiz, team A scored minus 30, 20 and 0 in 3 rounds. Team B scored 20, 0 and minus 30 in 3 successive rounds. Successive means one after the other. So these are the scores for team A and team B. Now I need to find out which team scored more. And by looking at this, we can say that there were 3 rounds in the quiz. And to find out which team won, I need to find out the total at the end of all the rounds. So if I find out the total for team A, total score for team A will be the sum of all the scores. That is minus 30 plus the 20 plus 0. Again, the total score for team B will be similar way. We will be taking the sum 20, 0 and minus 30. So now here if you see minus 30 plus 20. This will give me minus 10. Again, here is 20 minus 30. This will again give me minus 10. So here we see that in both the teams, the scores at the end were equal. So the quiz competition was draw, or both of the teams have the same score. So there is no winner. Now, the second part of this question says that, can we say that we can add integers in any order? Yes, we can add integers in any order. Why do we say so? If you recall from the last videos, we have covered that addition is commutative. If you have not watched the last video, you can go and watch that and then come back and solve this. Yes, we can add 2 or more integers in any order. And we will be getting the same answer. If I add 20 before minus 30, then also we will be getting minus 10. Here also, if I put minus 30 in place of 20 and then perform the calculation, then also I will be getting minus 10. So addition is commutative. You can write in your answer script like, yes, we can add 2 or more integers in any order because addition is commutative. And by mentioning commutative, you can write the law which we were writing, like a plus b will always give me an integer which is equal to b plus a. Now we will see the third question. The third question is simple one, and it is just asking us to find the sum. So I hope now you are clear with the concept of different sign, similar sign, and how we can find the sum of integers or subtract two integers, keeping in mind their mod values and their actual values. So now here if you see, I need to find the sum of all the integers. So here I have to keep in mind the most important rule, which is similar signed integers will get added and different signed integers will get subtracted. So let us separate these integers first based on their signs. So this is a positive integer, 237. Again we have 84 as a positive integer followed by 72. So these three were the positive integers. And the negative integers are minus 72. I need to add all of them. So I will write plus here and put this in bracket with the sign. Again, I will put plus here and then put the integer with sign. So I have separated out all the positive integers on this side and all the negative integers on this side. Now, I will open the bracket and see what is their sign. So plus minus will give me minus 72, minus 184, minus 37. Now let me add all the similar signed integers. Firstly, we will be adding all the positive integers and I will be getting 393. Again, these are also same signed integers, so I will be adding all of these at once and I will be getting 293. But 293 will be preceded with a negative sign because this is negative addition. So now here we are left with two integers of different sign. We will simply subtract them and subtraction value will give me 100. And because 393 is greater, so 100 will have positive sign. So this is the final answer. So we have captured the very short exercise 1.2. One exam tip which I would like to give you is that whenever you are performing the questions of this type, when we are finding out the pairs where we need to find suppose a negative integer or a positive integer as the result, then write down all the possible values which you can take here or all the possible pairs which you can take here. If you write them, then it becomes easier for you to calculate, and after calculating you can arrive at the final result of your choice because there can be more than one choice here. So if you like the video, please like and share, subscribe to my channel. See you again in another video. Till then, keep learning and practicing. Bye.